Today, everyone left us, and they're at Bluff. Supposedly, we have a truck coming back to pick us up. We're gonna get down to Bluff. It's f***ing barreling, which is why I think they might not be coming back to Bluff. So look who showed up. Let's go.
About to get some barrels, do some swags.
Where are we at, Bluff?
Bluff Beach.
Grom looking at the board over there a little bit. I have a feeling that it's not going to be a good sight.
Oh, sorry, bro. We might be able to fix it.
Yeah, that's gnarly. Alright, we're going down to the surf shop. I don't know the name of. It's JC Surf Shop. No, it's not. It's Paunch Board Consulting. No. It's Paunch Beach Club. No. Paunch Board Industries. It's known as Paunch Board Shop.
Okay.
And we're going there.
Dude, you think this is gonna be hard to maneuver?
What about this one?
Do you know how to do airs?
No.
No? So that's a good board for airs.
Yeah, board's fun.
I mean, if you want to start trying to do airs, that's a perfect one.
Okay, that's motivating me.
Yeah.
Dude,
Airs are pretty cool. Airs are pretty cool, bro.
I'm $40 short right now, but could bring it back to you.
Sure. You have to board someone's there.
Yeah.
If you don't pay, he will pay for it.
Shoot. Sick.
You can leave her here.
I always joke about that, but then I don't want to pay you anything.
Oh, you gonna charge me?
Well, like, it's a fair trade.
How do you feel about this?
board for Ashland. Ashland, you're staying here.
I know, dude. I'll be left in Panama.
You live in the board shop now.
And I've been so colorblind.
Boys, we're going shopping. Necessity. All right. Some diapers, you little. Could actually use some stuff that like helps out with the rash, though. That's for sure.
Daddy, I got a rash.
Party, party, who likes to party?
Before you...
Holy shit.
FaceTime. Oh, grandpa, teach me how to stall. Pulling in the barrel, you know how it goes. And we pulling some hoes, just kidding. It's all the f***ing bros. And we getting f***ing drunk, getting real drunk, and we put it in the trunk. We trying to leave that in the past. And we trying to make that shit last.
Yeah.
Oh my god, time you drop in, you slip. You can't come through the. You can't get no section that's spit, cause you don't have the balls to commit.
Say I want to play the fucking Fortnite, Call of Duty, Madden, 2K, Gary game. Yeah. You don't know shit, Ryan. You ain't getting barreled. You think you know this shit?
Today's the end of day.
Nobody knows.
We don't know. We're on island time, bro. We're on day 13. Day 13. It's the end of day 13, and Lance is chugging his 13th beer. Woo! Finish it. Ooh. Also, I completely lied to you. It's definitely not day 13. It's January 13th. So damn fine. Then little Carson got out of his mind. Tom, brother, that was sick. We'll be linking up for sure. Tom, I better see some sick clips, bro. I better see some too. I hope you guys fucking score. The time has come, brother.
Get some clips, baby.
Better get some barrel over here while we're gone. Get on back here, Bo. To the airport.
The boys heading out.
Yeah, bud.
Oh